Welcome to the read-along for renewable resources. We're going to read this passage together, and we're going to take some notes here in the margin, okay? Earth has two types of natural resources, renewable and non-renewable. So resources that are able to be made new again, and resources that are not able to be made new again. Renewable resources can be replaced. That's a key idea. Plants and animals are renewable resources. Sunlight and wind are two other types of renewable resources. Water is one of our most important renewable resources, if it is used wisely. Wasting or polluting water can affect the usable supply. The photos show how humans use sunlight, wind, and water to produce electrical energy. The air we breathe is another important renewable resource. Almost all living things need water and air to survive. So before I move on, I'm going to go back and read and annotate. Earth has two types of natural resources, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources can be replaced. I'm going to highlight that definition first. Okay, not too hard. Renewable resources can be replaced. That is why they're able to be made new again. Now I'm going to use my regular pencil. I want to underline each renewable resource that I read about. Plants and animals are renewable resources. Plants, animals. Sunlight and wind are two other types of renewable resources. So sunlight and wind. Water is one of our most important renewable resources if it is used wisely. So I have plants, animals, sunlight, wind, water. Wasting or polluting water can affect, that word begins with an A, so that word means change. Wasting or polluting water can change the usable supply, the amount of water that's able to be used. The photos show how humans use sunlight, wind, and water to produce electrical energy. The air we breathe is another important renewable resource. So air is a renewable resource, and I'm going to underline it. Almost all living things need water and air to survive. And so, over here, I'm going to make a list of the renewable resources, because I know that renewable resources can be replaced, and I want to make a list of them here. Now what I do, I'm going to use my note-taking skills. I'm not going to write out the word renewable all the way. I'm going to abbreviate the word renewable. I'm going to use the R, N, W, and a bowl. So when I write renewable, I'm going to put it in shorthand. R, N, W. Oh, hold on. Renewable resources. And now I'm just going to list them. And I'm going to list them going down. So plants, animals, sunlight, wind, water, air. I'm not going to put them like a sentence because I'm not making a sentence. I'm just listing them. Plants, animals, sunlight, wind, water, and last but not least, air. So there's my quick list of renewable resources.